If you're experiencing billing issues with Uber, it's important to address them promptly to ensure a smooth experience. Follow these steps to resolve your billing problems effectively. Step 1. Check your payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Review your trip history. Open the Uber app and navigate to your trip history. Look for the specific trip that has a billing issue. Check the fare breakdown for any discrepancies or unexpected charges. Step 3. Contact Uber support. If you find an error or have questions about your charges, go to the help section in the app. Select the relevant trip and choose the option to report a billing issue. Provide all necessary details for quicker resolution. Step 4. Follow up on your requests. After submitting your billing issue, keep an eye on your email or app notifications for a response from Uber support. They may require additional information, so be prepared to provide it promptly. Step 5. Monitor your account. Once the issue is resolved, monitor your account for any further discrepancies. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Uber support again or checking for any updates in the app regarding billing policies. By following these steps, you can effectively address and resolve any billing problems you encounter with Uber. Remember to stay informed about your payment methods and account activity for a smoother experience in the future.